Have you heard of this new trend to make delicious and healthy protein-packed jerky at home effortlessly and with virtually no need for cleaning afterward? It's so easy, anyone can do it. You don't have to start a fire or a smoker or even turn on the oven, and it can be done in a dorm room or in a camper. And it takes just a few minutes to prepare the meat for drying. The jerky using this method is a high-density protein and also paleo-friendly and keto-friendly. It can be stored for a long time, and it doesn't contain any sugar, MSG, nitrates, gluten, or preservatives. And it is delicious. Similar cured meats are currently selling for around $80 to over $100 per pound. Just click on the link and I'll share with you for free exactly how you can also make jerky effortlessly using my proprietary method. And then you can show off your jerky making skills by letting your friends and family have a taste of your homemade jerky without sharing your secret.